How to log in Amazon employee. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a preferred browser on your device. In the search bar, search for Amazon employee login and give it a search. You have to select the first option, that is Amazon A to Z login. Go ahead and tap on it. In here, you have to enter your login, that is the Amazon login, which Amazon will provide to you. Once you enter it, you can just go ahead and select the login bubble at the bottom. Now, if you are a DSP delivery associate, you have to select this option. Then again, tap on Continue as a DSP delivery associate. To sign in as a DSP delivery associate, you have to enter email or your mobile number and password, then tap on Sign In. Select Keep Me Signed In if you want to, or if you have forgotten your password, just go ahead and select Forgot Password at the top. Then you have to enter email address or your mobile number, and an OTP or an email link will be sent to a designated credential. You can also check out customer service if you want to deal with the problem quickly. And that is how you can easily log in to your Amazon employee. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.